Well, good morning, tax dodgers. Welcome back to day 2, Gunbower Creek in the storms. I am the Fatboy, and this is Fishing with the Fatboy, and over there, that's Jace. We have a very different day today than yesterday. You probably can't see it, but it's gentle rain at the moment. So what we've always said is the best thing about fishing as a sport and rain is that the fish don't know it's wet or raining, because they're always wet. So we're going to go out and give it a crack. As I say, very, very different conditions to yesterday. Let's see what today can bring. See you on the water.
Okay, let's go.
Well, tax dodgers, here we go, day two of Gunbower in the storms. A little bit of rain. It's actually pretty good. Very, very gentle. We're not even going to go for the rain jackets just yet. So in a different part of the creek and completely different conditions. I was just saying to Jace off camera, I do like the flow here. The sections we fished yesterday had very high flow through them. This one is a reduced flow. It's much more sensible. And we've had a lot more success in this sort of flow than the high flow times. Anyway, I'm using the same gear as yesterday, that beautiful Black Label Daiwa rod with the Daiwa Tatula MR spec reel over the top, the 832 suffix line, and that's probably going to be a 40-pound Penn Super X leader. Jace, what are you running with?
Same as yesterday.
Same as yesterday.
Savage gear.
Beautiful. Savage gear black.
75mm orgy to start off with.
And
nice and shiny.
Very good. And I've gone with the ever reliable baby cod in the 75mm orgy plough. All right, let's see how we go. Wish us luck. So once again, tax dodgers, we're trolling in that 12-foot range. So 4.5 metre lure, that doesn't usually work out, but we troll very short runs behind the boat, get them up under the prop, just like that. So just a gentle cast out the back, and that's really all it is. If we start ploughing the bottom, bring a bit of line in, get their noses up off the bottom, because we all know Murray cod, their eyes are in the top of their head. They're not swimming upside down, so you've got to get up above them. Try a narrower profile, tax dodgers. So this is the Orgy Awesome in what we call the tiger snake colour. Let's see what he can do.
Oh, cool shot. He's still there, yes. I thought he jumped off.
Work, Jace.
Greenfish, right?
That'll be nice.
See how I come in also.
My side?
Yeah.
Just tweak that around.
Yeah, it's hard. I reckon it's a yellow though. I'm sure that's soaring.
I'm going to get the net ready just in case.
Oh, sorry, the language warning again. European carp.
You get a load of rib.
Yeah, like constant. I don't want to touch it. Flick him off in the middle. Bloody things.
Spin the camera. Well, tax dodgers, there's Jace's carp. Looks like we won all in the carp stakes. Jeez.
Yes. Not as big as yours. You'll be humanely dispatched.
Absolutely. All right. Excuse us just for a minute. Now, any chance we can pick up a desirable fish?
I thought I had a cod the way that one hit then. It's gonna be. It's fast, isn't it?
Yes.
Hour and 10 minutes. Oh, wait, it gave me a little fright.
Whose idea was this?
Lungs out the back of the boat and take it off. Water in it. Fish. Work. Oh Jesus! Sorry.
It's still on.
Better not be a carp.
It's staying down.
Going right like the cod. Can you take me a bit closer? Yeah, we've got better. Fucking pulled the hooks.
Oh no!
He took me into a snag and then pulled the hooks. Chap.
Bad luck, mate.
That's a chap. That was a sod, definitely. Yeah, over to that weed bed. One of the trebles got a big hunk of weeds and he swam off.
Well, tax dodgers, that's very well it for now. That bloke who this morning said that the fish don't know any difference because they're always wet when it's raining, he's a bit of a clown, because I tell you, the fishermen certainly know when it's wet, when it's raining. So we're going to call it for now. One carp landed, and Jace got really unlucky with that last one. We think that was a sizable Murray cod that took him into the weed, buried him, and then pulled the hooks, which was a real shame. Would have been nice to get a look at that one. Anyway, that's it. We're going to get the Jace's tin can out of the drink and go and see if we can dry everything off, and then we'll assess what's going to happen for the rest of the day. Anyway, you have been fishing with the Fat Boy. I am the Fat Boy. That's Jace.
In the rain.
In the rain, and we will see you soon. Did you do the left hand down?
A little bit.
Righto.
Oh, let's look over twice.
How good's that? Hey?
Hopes you can get out. You can get up in the hills. Oh, the slipperiness. Rip out my pants, still got pear shape, got my jocks on. the old fella away at least. Come on. Oh.
1 pair of pants later.
We're neutral. We'll be ready. Well, tax dodgers. That was interesting. Thank you very much to the farmer for dragging us out. Thank you. Here's Jace, who bought a 2x4 instead of a 4x4. So I'm not sure it would help.
I reckon it's pretty dicey down there in a 4x4 as well. Slippery as.
Yes, I agree. I'm with you. I'm with you.
Track day without.
Best bet to get it out today.
Yes.
Lesson learned though. We probably should have put a little bit more thought into the rain that was going to hinder our retrieval, Jace.
It's okay to fish in it, but you still got to hit the boat at the end.
That's a very good point. All right, we'll get everything squared away and then decide how we're going to continue with the rest of our
Find some new pants.
adventure. And Jace has learned why you should always wear jocks today. Show the tax dodgers what happened, Jace. Oh, look at that. That's dreadful. That's dreadful. All right.
Nice put a band-aid over that.
Too much, yeah, it's a bit big for a band-aid, I think. Too much frivolity. Righto, let's get this sorted. See you, tax dodgers. Well, tax dodgers, we're nothing if not resilient. Welcome back, Fishing with Fatboy. I am the Fatboy, that's Big Jace, and we're back on the creek in the rain, having another crack at it. Tomorrow's going to be a write-off, we reckon. Heap of rain and that coming through Adelaide, so really this is our only opportunity. So here we are, in the rain. Wish us luck.
A few moments later.
Well, tax dodgers, that is very well it. We've wrung everything we can out of the last couple of days. We've had a few adventures, we've had a little bit of misfortune. The fishing has not been tremendous, but it's certainly been an entertaining couple of days. Hey, Jace?
That's
Yeah. All right, that'll do us for now. Let's
get out of the rain.
get out of the rain, yeah. Thank you for joining Fishing with the Fatboy. I am the Fatboy. That's Jace.
In the rain.
We will see you next time. See ya. Do I need a bit of left hand down?
You're right, I reckon. Well, right hand down now.
What?
Right
No,
hand down.
I only do left hand down. That's all I do.
Yeah, miss.
It's left hand down or nothing. 500 kilos of water in the back of it. Take me home, driver.